My name is Vlad. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day, what works, what doesn't, what to expect short term, going into the midterm elections, and what to expect long term, end of the year and beyond. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. If you're new to trading stock and options, I encourage you to visit optionscreening.com so you can understand the risks associated with trading stock and options. And you can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. All right, let's look at the model. I'm looking at the stock forecast toolbox for the spiders for the next 10 days. Model predicted that we will break the 380 overhead resistance, still positive trend. We are trading at 384, approaching 385. So model is correct in terms of showing you the trend and the fact that we are breaking through the 380 level, which is a very important short-term overhead resistance. Looking at the 6 months predictions, again, this is neural network model, learns on the data and makes predictions for different time intervals. This is same model, but each data point is 1 month. So we're looking at past 30 years worth of data. It does see that the trend is broken. We are trading in a downtrend, potentially in October rebounding back to 395, which we're getting very close to. So I agree with the model. That short term, we are trading above 380 level, which is the key overhead resistance. That opens the door to retesting 390 and 400 levels. So I think it's just a matter of time to reach 390 and 400. We do have a Fed decision on unemployment next week. We have earnings from Microsoft, Google, Amazon this week. So this week probably rally continues. Early next week, potentially reaching 390 level or slightly higher. Then going into the Fed, I assume Fed will remain hawkish. Inflation is still persistent. We will have some kind of a pullback, probably back to 380, 370 level, but still a rally will continue into November, December timeline. And I would be a buyer into pullbacks at this point. I add into my XLK position. I have long vertical, I have iron counter, and now I'm adding to the stock position itself in case you're not comfortable trading options, and also to hedge my short call position, credit call spread. So I'm long XLK, and I think XLK, especially after Visa, Google, and Microsoft earnings tonight, will continue to go higher. I would be a buyer into pullbacks. Also, please join us on Wednesday, tomorrow. We have a morning bell and closing bell. You can participate live. Please click on subscribe button, hit like if you find this content useful, and share with your friends and colleagues if you're part of any trader forums. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much and have a great day.